Hi everyone. Welcome to our video presentation. Today, we'll be showing you a short talk about a very important topic. Common sources of conflict in the automotive field. Let's get started.
Good day everyone, welcome to Auto Talks. Today I'm your host, Christian Di Pantolian, and with me are two guests, Keanu and Charito. And with me are two guests, Charito and Antipolo. Have a seat. Good. Thank you both for joining us.
Thanks, Christian. Happy to be here.
Yes, thanks. It's good to be here.
Today, we are going to talk about something important. The common sources of conflict in automotive field. Keanu, let me start with you. What do you think is one big reason people argue or have problem in this field?
Well, Christian, one big problem is miscommunication. Sometimes, the car owner and the mechanic don't understand each other. Maybe the customer wants a simple checkup, but the mechanic does more work without asking. Then, the customer gets shocked by the high cost.
That makes sense. Communication is a really important. Sarito, how about you? What do you think causes conflict?
For me, I think lack of honesty is a problem. Some shops add things that are not needed just to make more money. This makes customer angry and lose trust. Also, some workers may not say when they make a mistake.
That's a good point, Sarito. Trust is very important in this field. Keanu, do you think training and knowledge also play a part?
Yes, for sure. If a worker is not trained well, they might fix the wrong thing or even damage the car more. This makes the customers upset and the shop might lose business.
Very true. So what we can do to avoid these problems?
First, be honest and clear when talking to customers, and always ask for doing extra work.
And also keep learning. The more we know, the better we can do our job. And treat every car like it's your own.
Great advice from both of you. Thank you so much, Keanu and Sarito, for your sharing and thoughts today. That's all the time we have for this episode. Remember, clear talk and honest work go a long way in the automotive world. See you next time on Auto Talk today.
Thank you.